That sucked. All right. So this run, well, it's not even a run. This is off, whoops. This is off Wildfire up on Goat's Eye. And saw one little track, this lone snowboard track go through here. So I decided to follow. So I've gone through here once. So most of this is my mess because I don't go fast through here. But I figured I'd come back and record. So it's actually interesting. It's playing it really safe. You know, watching for tree wells and trying to control my speed. That's so ironic. So here's my tracks. I did that exact same thing first go around about 30 minutes ago. So yeah, it's a lone snowboard track, and I don't know, let's just navigate through here. It's good to know which way, which direction everything is. And of course, the branches are pretty low. So, whew. Yeah, definitely no one is doing this type of exploration. I figured, hey, I'll be that person. Now I'm taking a whole different course. I move out a tree line to the side from where I was. But these are someone else's line. This is someone else's line from probably yesterday. Ends. Yeah, there's a run just over here, so that's chill. A branch just jabbed my cheek. I'm glad that wasn't my eye. Of course I have goggles, but still. Now that I've done this once, this one a lot faster, I might actually come back. That was execution 10 out of 10. I'm so silly. I don't know what even happened there. I went to turn around that tree. I think my one ski was just too deep in the snow. Oh, that's too fast. What a suicide mission I'm on. I've actually done a lot of those today. Okay. See? We can do something kind of quick. I love running over trees today, right between my legs. Not sure what that's about. Okay, that was a really good run right there without stopping. Before I exit, is there any? It's pretty dense.